Assalamu alaikum to all the students and welcome to you all. This is today our English literature class which is about our novel David Copperfield. We have complete 6 lessons of this novel in our midterm, and now as we have started final term, so we have to start lesson number 7. This is English Literature lecture number 15. We have completed 14 lectures in our midterm exam and now we have started finals. So we are continuing the serial numbers of all the lectures from the starting of this session, and this is our lecture number 15 of literature. It is lesson number 7 and the name of the lesson is The New Partner. I hope you all are having your books with the page number 42. I am giving you few seconds to open your books. Page number 42, lesson number 7, The New Partner. These are some important characters of the lesson. Agnes is here, who is the daughter of Mr. Wickfield. David, who is the hero of the novel, you may say the main character of the novel is David Copperfield. Then Mr. Spenlow we have, who is the owner of that law company where David is working, where David has started his job as a lawyer. He is practicing as well as he is having, you may say, he's increasing his knowledge about law, as well as he is earning from the same office where Mr. Spenlow is the owner. Dora is the daughter of Mr. Spenlow. She will come in this lesson. You will know about her, who is she. And then Julia Heap we have, who was the worker of in the Mr. Wickfield's office. Mr. Wickfield is the father of Agnes. Okay, then Mr. Waterbrook is here, who is the friend of Mr. Wickfield, and Mr. Traddles will be here, who is the childhood friend of David. They were in the Salem house together when they were started studies there. Okay, these were the important characters when you will start reading, okay, by yourself also, and when we will start the explanation of this lecture, then we will get to know all the different things about these characters. Okay, now first chapter is a letter from Agnes, in which in this chapter Agnes wrote a letter to David and wanted to talk to him. So we will know what she wants to talk and what are the who is the new partner in this lesson, which is the title of the lesson. In this chapter, Agnes wrote a letter to David. David and Agnes met where Agnes invited David to meet with her, and Agnes got worried also because of Julia's activities. Now this is page number 42 and 43, and the lesson name is the new partner, a letter from Agnes. It was wonderful to have those rooms to myself. Now where were we in the midterm? We have done that. David has shifted to London and he has got a home over there. He has started working with Spenlow and Jorkins as a lawyers. Okay, it is a law company where all the lawyers meet, practice and discuss different matters of the people. So David has started the job in Spenlow and Jorkins, and Mr. Spenlow is the owner of that company. And his auntie Betsy has also has selected a room, has chosen a room for David to live in London, and David now in his new house. So now what he is saying, it was wonderful to have those rooms to myself. After 2 days and nights, I felt as though I had lived there for a year. Means the area, the place, the house was very familiar with David, and David got familiar with that house, with the position, with the area of his new life very soon. And he gets he is very much familiar with that place. So he is saying that after 2 days and nights he was feeling like he has lived there for a years, means he is not here, he has not just shifted here, but he is living here for a years there. Early on the third day, I walked over to see Mrs. Steerforth. She was very glad to see me. Okay, when after 2 days, when he has shifted over there, after 2 days, when he has settled down all the things, he had started getting familiar with the things of that house, with the rooms, with the places. On the third day, he walked over to see Mrs. Steerforth, who is the mother of Steerforth, James Steerforth, who is the childhood friend, Salem House friend of David. She was very glad to see David and said that James had gone for a holiday with one of his friends from the university. Miss Dartle was very interested to hear about all the things we had done at Yarmouth. Means we have already read that David and Stafford, they had also visited Yarmouth to see Peggotty's over there. So Miss Dartle, who is the childhood companion of Mrs. Stafford, she was very much interested to hear about all the things what we have done, David and Stafford at Yarmouth. She was very curious to know about that. The next morning, I received a letter from Agnes Wickfield. It just said, "My dear David, I am staying at house of father's friend, Mr. Waterbrook." See, Mr. Waterbrook is the father of Mr. Wickfield. "In LA Place, Holborn. Will you come and see me while I am here anytime you like? Yours sincerely, Agnes." She is writing to David that I want to meet with you. I want to meet you, and whenever you get time, you should come to me. I have a. It means that she has written because she has a very important piece of work with David. "I left the office at half past 3. Half an hour later, I reached Mr. Waterbrook's house. A servant led me into a small sitting room, and there I saw Agnes sewing. Okay, Agnes was sewing over there, means she was knitting a sweater maybe or something like this. Sewing means वो कुछ सिलाई कर रही थी. She was knitting actually. Okay, in the picture also we can see that there is something about knitting कि वो woolen से जो हम the sticks we not we means the ladies do something sitting in their फ्री टाइम, तो वो क्या करती हैं, स्वेटर्स वगैरह बुन रही होती हैं. दिस इज कॉल्ड knitting and sewing, you may say. So she was doing that in the sitting room. "Sit down," said Agnes cheerfully. Then she asked me if I had seen Uriah. Agnes asked to David that if have you seen Uriah anywhere? Uriah, I asked. "No, is he in London?" Then David also asked to Agnes that he is living in London also, means I haven't seen, I am in London. So maybe he thought that Agnes asking like this means Yuria is somewhere near with me. So that's why David asked that is he in London? "He comes to the office downstairs every day," replied Agnes. That Agnes ने उससे क्या कहा कि he comes to the office every day. I think he's going to become a partner in the business with father. Means they don't want him to be a um, partner in the business, but she is scared that maybe why Julia is again and again coming and interfering a lot in the business. Maybe he is going to be a partner in the business with father कि वो try कर रहा है कि I will become a business partner of Mr. Whitfield. What, Yuria, how has that humble man managed to get such a position? Means David is not very much satisfied with the abilities of Yuria, that he is so humble, वो बहुत down to earth है, how he can get this ability. I cried, "You must not allow your father to do this. You must stop him, Agnes, while you can." Means David said to Agnes that you can stop your father, not to be so fool, not to be under pressure with Yuria, and not to make him a business partner, and you can stop him. She replied after a short silence, "Yuria has been very useful to father. He is skillful and watches everything. He has taken advantage of father's weaknesses, and now father is afraid of him." Means she wants to say that Mr. Wickfield will cannot stop Yuria to do something in the business because he is a very skillful person. He shows himself a very humble person, but he is a very skillful, and he is very good with Mr. Wickfield. And he has taken the advantage of his father's weaknesses कि उसने सारे business पर जो overtake करने की जो वो सोच रहा है, because Mr. Wickfield is a weak person, you may say, because he hasn't got a son, he has a daughter. Okay, and daughter is not involved in the business. Daughter भी जो है Agnes, she is not involved in the business. So everything is in the hand of Mr. Wickfield, and other than Mr. Wickfield, everything is seen by Uriah. So he is a very good person with Mr. Wickfield. He is very skillful. He is very helpful for Mr. Wickfield. So I can't stop Mr. Wickfield to do something in the favor of Uriah. Now come to page number 43. She might have said more. She suspected worse thing. I clearly saw this and remained silent. His power over father is very great, said Agnes. He says he is unimportant, but I fear he uses his power as often as possible. Means he used to say that he is an unimportant person, he is a very humble person, वो अपने बारे में यही सब कुछ कहता है, but he has a very good power on his father. And and Agnes fears that he uses his power as often as is possible. जब भी उसको chance मिलता है, he used his powers. I said he was a dog, and I enjoyed saying it means as he is mean and he is a very greedy person. क्योंकि जब भी उसको पॉसिबल लगता है he uses his power. तो David called him a dog, and he enjoyed saying this. Father has been very worried, cried Agnes, but he seemed to be relieved to have Uriah as his partner. At the same time, he seemed to be ashamed of it. Means Agnes said that father is very much worried about him, but he seemed to be relieved to have Uriah as his partner. But if he will become a partner in the business, then my father will be a very relieved person. He will be out of tension of the business. That's why I cannot stop him to make Uriah his business partner. At the same time, he seemed to be ashamed of it, and also obviously. And what did you think, Agnes? David is asking to Agnes, then what do you think about him? I did what I thought was right, David. She replied, I thought that father's peace was most important for this. The sacrifice is not too great, so I encouraged him to do it. I said it would be a relief to him and make him less anxious. Means if he make Uriah a partner in the business, so he had to sacrifice a lot, but he will be a tension free person if he um, give the whole business in the hand of Uriah. So I encouraged him to do it. I said it would be a relief to him and make him less anxious कि वो इतना परेशान और worried नहीं रहेंगे in his life because of business. Oh David, she cried, I almost feel that I have been his enemy instead of his dear. Means Agnes is saying that if I stop him, if अगर मैं उनसे ये कहती हूँ कि don't make Uriah partner in the business, so I would be I will be his enemy. मैं उनकी दुश्मन बन जाऊंगी. Not in the sense of you may say he will be thinking that Agnes is my enemy. No, in the sense of कि everything will be on the shoulder of Mr. Wickfield और उनके लिए बुरा हो जाएगा. And Uriah will not allow him to not to make यूरिया a business partner. ठीक है, यूरिया फिर उनसे फिर बदला लेगा या उनको डिस्टर्ब करेगा या उनको परेशान करेगा. तो इट इज़ बेनिफिशियल फॉर माई फादर to make Uriah a business partner of himself. Then he started crying. Sorry, she started crying. I had never seen Agnes cry before. I had never seen her sad. It made me so sorry that I could only say foolishly, please, Agnes, don't cry. Don't, my dear sister. Means he tried to make her calm, and he told Agnes that you are my sister, don't be so worried, and I'm so sorry to make you this much disheartened. So you had started crying. तो उसने उसको calm down करने के लिए he said that please Agnes, don't cry, don't, my dear sister. Her sadness passed and her calm manner came back again. While I have the opportunity, David, let me speak to you. Be friendly to Uriah means now Agnes is requesting to David that how you have to behave with Uriah. Be friendly to Uriah, don't refuse to talk to him, think instead of father and me means अगर तुम if you have any importance of mine or my father तो think instead of father and me means कि यूरिया को मेरे और मेरे फादर की जगह ही समझो मीन्स डोंट डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन अस एंड यूरिया इज जस्ट लाइक अस थिंक अबाउट दैट एंड यू हैव टू बी वेरी फ्रेंडली विद यूरिया don't refuse to talk to him you have to be very careful while you are talking you should control yourself and don't make in your mind that Yuria is a very bad person ठीक है you have to talk with him very friendly in a friendly way and think him instead of father and me. Agnes had not time to say any more. Mrs. Waterbrook, who was a large lady, came in. In fact, he seemed to sail in like a boat. Means she entered inside the room. She said she had heard Agnes speak kindly of me. She invited me to have dinner there. The next day, I accepted the invitation and said goodbye. Then, at that time, Miss Waterbrook invited David. उन्होंने David को दावत दी that you will be coming tomorrow next day and uh, have a dinner with us. So he accepted the invitation and said goodbye and go. And sorry, and he had gone. Now come to page number 44. This is our next chapter, Mr. Wickfield's foolishness. Now we will come to that what Mr. Wickfield think about Julia and what foolishness he had done. In this, we will know David met with Traddles here, who is the Salem House friend or childhood friend of David. David will talk to Uriah also. Then Uriah said about Mr. Wickfield, a foolish man. Mr. Wickfield had made Uriah a very strong and business partner in the business, and Uriah is declaring Mr. Wickfield a foolish man. Why? We will come to know in this chapter. I went to dinner at LA Place next day. Okay, when Mr. and Mrs. Waterbrook invited him and found Julia Heap there. Julia Heap was also over there. He was wearing a black suit. There were other guests. I looked with particular interest. With one of them came in. He was introduced as Mr. Treadle. Then a person came inside the in the party and he was introduced as Mr. Treadles. I turned to Mr. Waterbrook and told him that Mr. Treadle was an old friend of mine. He told him, no, he told Mr. Waterbrook that he is a very good friend of mine, childhood friend. He is. He replied that Treadles was now studying law and did some work for his some time. Means Treadle also worked with Waterbrook for some time and he's studying law over there. Later, I was glad to be able to speak to Agnes. I introduced Traddles to her. Then, when David got time to speak to Agnes, he also introduced Traddles to Agnes. Traddle had to leave early because he was going away next morning for a month. However, we exchanged addresses and promised to meet again when he returned. They have decided they will meet in the future and they have also exchanged their addresses also. We both look forward to this with pleasure. Traders was very interested to hear that I knew Steerforth and seemed to like him very much. Means whenever the childhood friends meet, they got very much excited. बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हो जाते हैं. Then they are having they are having a meeting with their old friends. तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. So that's why Traders was also very much excited and he was glad that Steerforth is also in the connection of David. I stayed talking to Agnes and listening to her sing. I did not want to be friendly to Julia, but I remembered the request Agnes had made to me. Means to after listening all the wicked एक्टिविटीज़ ऑफ यूरिया डेविड का दिल जो है वो यूरिया से थोड़ा सा मीन्स ही हैड बिकम अ वेरी ग्लम विद डेविड वो उससे कुछ खफा सा कुछ नाराज़ वगैरह सा नज़र आ रहा था बट ही वॉज नॉट ही रिमेंबर्ड देन द रिक्वेस्ट ऑफ एग्नेस कि उसने उससे कहा था कि यू हैव टू बी वेरी फ्रेंडली विद यूरिया यू डोंट रिफ्यूज़ टू टॉक टू यूरिया उससे वो बात करना चाहे तो उससे कभी रिफ्यूज़ नहीं करना यू हैव टू बी वेरी good with him so that he will not be angry with Mr. Wickfield कि उसको कोई चीज़ बुरी ना लग जाए and he will harm my father कि वो किसी तरह मेरे father को नुकसान ना पहुंचाए. So we have to be very friendly with the Uriah and David suddenly realized that he is not a good man, but I have to be very good with him. मुझे उसके साथ अच्छे से behave करना है. When everyone else had gone, I went to speak to him. Then when the party is over, everybody has gone to their homes. Then David started talking to Uriah. And what did he talk? You have heard something, I suppose, about my new position, Mr. Copperfield, Uriah said. Then Uriah came first and started talking to David that, have you heard about my new position, what I'm going to be? Yes, I said, Miss Wickfield told me a little. Miss Wickfield means Mr. Wickfield's the daughter, Agnes. Miss means he is talking about Mr. Wickfield's daughter, or Mrs. means the wife of the person. ठीक है, so don't be confused between Miss and Mrs. Miss का मतलब he is talking about Miss Wickfield का मतलब Agnes. Yes, I said Miss Wickfield told me a little that Agnes had told me something about this, that about your new position. I am so glad to find Miss Agnes knows about it. Oh, what a good man Mr. Wickfield is, Mr. Copperfield. But how foolish he has been. Now he is he is opening himself. वो अपने बारे में क्या कह रहा है कि that Mr. Wickfield is a very good man, that he has selected me a business partner of himself. But how foolish he has been, कि he what a stupid man he is, कितने बेवकूफ हैं वो. Mr. Wickfield is worth so much more than you or me, and yet you say he has been foolish. Now David is asking to Uriah that he is a very great man, he is a wonderful person, and he worth his value is so much more than us, कि उनकी value, उनका experience is at peak, and you are saying him a foolish person. Why, Yuria? Why you are saying like this, Mr. Heap? I said, oh, very foolish indeed, Mr. Wickfield, replied Yuria, sighing. Sighing means एक ठंडी सी like this when we do. ठीक है, when we do like this, एक ठंडी सांस भरते हैं हम. तो he said, oh, he is very foolish person, he replied, and just really, oh, anyone else would have completely ruined Mr. Wickfield. There would have been loss, shame, and more to what he is trying to say. First, he has said that Mr. Wickfield is a foolish person. ठीक है? But when David ने उसको correct किया कि why you are saying like this, तो what he said, yes, very foolish, really, oh, anyone else would have completely ruined Mr. Wickfield, के किसी कोई भी उनको बेवकूफ़ बना सकता है, उनको प्रॉब्लम में डाल सकता है. Anybody can make her would have completely ruined Mr. Wickfield, कोई भी उनको तबाह बर्बाद कर सकता है, and कर दिया है. There would have been loss, shame, and more too. Mr. Wickfield knows that, but I have always served him obediently, means he is talking about all his activities, but putting it in the shoulder of anybody else, कि वो अपनी सारी की हुई एक्टिविटीज़ को किसी दूसरे के कंधे पर रखकर शो करने की कोशिश कर रहा है. बट आई हैव ऑलवेज सर्व हिम ओबीडियंटली, दैट यूरिया इज सेइंग कि मैंने हमेशा उनको ओबीडियंटली ही सर्व किया है, बहुत फर्मा बरदार रहा हूँ उनका. एंड आई हैव नेवर टॉक्ड बैडली विद मिस्टर विकफील्ड, एंड आई हैव नेवर यू में से मैंने कभी उनकी डिसोबीडियंसी नहीं की, उनको कभी नुकसान नहीं पहुंचाया. एंड नाउ ही हैज़ गिवन मी अ पोजीशन आई कुड हार्डली होप टू हैव, मीन्स नाउ ही हैज़ बिकम अ वेरी यू में से काइंड विद मी, कि वो मेरे साथ बहुत अच्छे हो गए हैं, बहुत अच्छा बिहेव किया. एंड नाउ ही हैज़ गिवन मी अ पोजीशन एज अ पार्टनर ऑफ, पार्टनर मीन्स ही इज़ द होल बिजनेस पर्सन, जस्ट लाइक मिस्टर विकफील्ड, के मिस्टर विकफील्ड ने उसको अपने बराबर लाकर खड़ा कर दिया है. ऑल द rules, all the things which is in the control of Mr. Wickfield is totally in the control of Uriah as well. कि जो चीज़ें, जो powers Mr. Wickfield के पास हैं, the same powers is Uriah having right now, कि उसके पास भी वही powers हैं. I could hardly hope to have means I could not hope like this, कि वो मुझे कभी इतनी बड़ी पोजीशन पे अलॉट मीन्स असाइन कर देंगे. I should be so thankful, कि I am very thankful to Mr. Wickfield, कि उन्होंने मुझे इतना बड़ा ओहदा दिया या इतनी बड़ी पोजीशन मुझे दे दी, that I have become a partner of Mr. Wickfield. अच्छा, this is the whole what we have to complete today. ठीक है. Now these are some presentation questions. Okay. I am just giving some students and assigning question numbers to different students. They will be replying me in the chat box. Okay. As we have a lot of time right now, with the 15 minutes we have, but still we have just completed. If you have any problem, you can also ask me any meaning you want to ask in the whole lesson, in these two chapters जो अभी तक हमने read किए हैं, 42, 43, 44. In these two chapters, if you want to ask something, you can ask me कोई phrase, कोई word, कोई dialogue if you don't understand. Okay, other than I'm assigning some questions to the students who will be replying me for these 5 questions. Question number 1, I want answer of question number 1 with Afra Wajahat. You will respond me for question number 1. Okay, and then Kainat, you will reply me for question number 2. ठीक है. Afra will for 1. Number 2 will be replied by Kainat. Then Sanya, you will give me the response of number 3. Sanya will respond me for question number 3. And Zainab, you will reply me for question number 4. Who is this Adina Asif? Adina is no one in all 3 sections. Who is this with Adina Asif name? Kindly rename your ID and come here so that I can mark your proper attendance. Otherwise, I will not mark the attendance. Okay, जिसका नाम मुझे unknown लगेगा, I will not mark them. Then question number 5 will be replied by Amna Maksud. You will reply me for question number 5. Okay, I have given all 5 questions to the students, and I'm giving you 1 minute to write your answers in the chat box. जी बेटे. Now we are going to start our presentation. Yes. Okay. Sanya, question number 3. Miss, what is the meaning of thankful? Thankful means to be grateful, शुक्रगुजार होना. ठीक है. What we write in the application also, kindly accept my application so that I will be very thankful to you. I will be very grateful to you. मैं आपके बहुत शुक्रगुजार होऊंगा. ठीक है सानिया. Okay. Alishba Rizwan, Miss. Okay, Alishba. Okay, fine. Now Kainat is giving me answer number 2. Agnes called David to say about Yuria. what what to say about Yuria? क्या कहना चाह रही थी वो यूरिया के बारे में? That was the question. Yes, he wanted to talk. She wanted to talk about Yuria to David, but what did she want to do? What problem she want to discuss with David? वो क्या problem discuss करती है कायनात? Give me the complete answer. Hmm, because he gave him the position of his partner. Very good. Very nice, Zainab. You have replied with the complete proper answer. That what was the request? Sorry. Why did Yulia so thankful to Mr. Wickfield? He was thankful to Mr. Wickfield because he had given him a position of his business partner in his company. Very good. Where are the others? Sanya, you haven't replied me for the answer for the question. that she had seen Yuria? No, Kainat. The proper answer is, see the question, why does Agnes call David at his father's friend's house? ठीक है, उसने अपने क्यों बुलाया था अपने फादर के फ्रेंड के घर पे उसको? सो टू टॉक अबाउट यूरिया and to tell David that don't refuse to talk with Uriah, be friendly with him, उससे अच्छे से behave करना, and she wanted to disclose the secrets of Uriah, कि उसके क्या secrets थे, that he is going to be very going to टेक अ सो मच इंटरफेरेंस इन द बिजनेस, के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा बिजनेस में इंटरफेयर करने की कोशिश कर रहा है, एंड यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल विद यूरिया दैट ही इज़ अ वेरी, मीन्स एटलीस्ट एक दो पॉइंट्स तो आपने लिखने चाहिए थे ना. अच्छा, अफरा इज रिप्लाइंग फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, वेयर डज एग्नेस गो? ओके, शी वेंट टू मिस्टर विकफील्ड एट कैंटरबरी. नो नो अफरा, वेयर आर यू? See the question again. What is the question? Where does Agnes go to live with her father's friend? What is the place name where Mr. Waterbrook live? Mr. Waterbrook कहाँ रहते हैं? See page number 44, sorry, page number 42, line number 12. See the line number 12 of page number 42, Mr. Waterbrook in Alley Place, Holborn. सिंपल क्वेश्चन है दैट वेयर डिड एग्नेस गो टू लिव विद हर फादर्स फ्रेंड. उसके फादर फ्रेंड जहाँ रहते हैं, ऑब्वियसली सी द आंसर हॉलबॉर्न. और इन एली प्लेस इज ऑल्सो प्लेस नेम, कि वो अपने फादर फ्रेंड के पास जाती है हु इज मिस्टर वाटरब्रूक एंड ही लिव्स इन एली प्लेस हॉलबॉर्न, कि वो हॉलबॉर्न में रहते हैं. करेक्ट आसिया, यू आर राइट. इट इज द सिंपल आंसर अफरा, यू हैवंट रिप्लाइड. अच्छा ओके, वेयर आर द अदर्स? सानिया, वेयर आर यू? आई आस्क्ड यू अ क्वेश्चन. और भी एक से मैंने पूछा था, हु वाज दैट? और किससे मैंने क्वेश्चन किया था? Agnes lived with her father's friend at Alley Place, Holborn. Sanya, did I ask you the question number 2? Question number 1? Afra से पूछा था मैंने question number 1. What was the secret of Uriah according to the Agnes? And where is question number 4 answer? Question number 4 का आंसर किधर है? आमना मकसूद. आमना से पूछा था मैंने question number 4 आंसर. She hadn't replied yet. Okay, question number 4 का आंसर anybody want to give me? Anybody else who can give me the reply of question number 4 and question number 3 also? Anyone who wants to reply me for question number 3 and 4? Anybody who can give me the reply of question number 3 and 4? But somebody has replied. Zainab ने reply कर दिया. I think question number 5. Yes, I remember. अच्छा okay Amna, you can reply me for question number 4 or 3. 3 और 4 में से किसी का बता दीजिए. Doesn't matter if somebody has replied already. Julia's secret was he loves Agnes for years. No Zainab, we haven't read about this. हमने तो अभी ये चीज़ पढ़ी नहीं है. How can you say this? In these 2 chapters we haven't read about this. Very good, Kainat. Kainat has given me the reply of question number 4 that the request was to be friendly with Jure and never refuse to talk to him. Yes, Alishba, you was writing the secret of Yuria. We haven't read about this that Yuria secretly loved with Agnes. Okay? अभी तो हम वहाँ तक पहुँचे ही नहीं हैं. It is right. ओके जैनब, इट इज़ राइट, बट वी हैवंट रेड अबाउट दिस राइट नाउ. अभी तक तो हम उस टॉपिक तक पहुंचे ही नहीं है. अकॉर्डिंग टू एग्नेस जस्ट राइट नाउ, सीक्रेटली जब वो लव करता है तो फिर एग्नेस को कैसे पता चल गया? ठीक है, वी हैवंट रेड अबाउट दिस, इट इज जस्ट बिटवीन डेविड एंड यूरिया एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू एग्नेस व्हाट इज द सीक्रेट ऑफ यूरिया। मैंने तो ये लिखा है ना, आई हैव clarify here that what is the secret of यूरिया according to Agnes के according to Agnes क्या जानती है कि what is the secret of यूरिया, वो क्या समझती है? Yes, we have still 4 minutes. सी पेज नंबर 43, यू विल गेट द आंसर ऑफ दीज क्वेश्चंस। ठीक है ना, वहाँ आपको मिल जाएगा कि अकॉर्डिंग टू एग्नेस व्हाट डज एग्नेस थिंक अबाउट यूरिया, दैट व्हाट इज द सीक्रेट ऑफ यूरिया, दैट ही वांट्स टू टेक ओवर द होल बिजनेस ऑफ हिज फादर। ठीक है, ही इज़ अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड स्किलफुल पर्सन फॉर हिज फादर, वो बिजनेस को अच्छी तरीके से समझता है। he understands the business, he understands and he knows all the weaknesses of Mr. Wickfield, so he is going to take over the business with Mr. Wickfield, कि वो उनसे बिजनेस को छीन लेना चाहते थे। The secret of Yuria according to Agnes is he is going to become a partner in the business of father. Yes, Rida Rahim, you are right. Very good. ठीक है, दिस इज द सीक्रेट अकॉर्डिंग टू एग्नेस जो अब तक हमने रीड किया है। is that कि Agnes thinks that how much he is taking interest in the whole business and Mr. Wickfield, as he is a very skillful person for Mr. Wickfield and he wants to take over the whole business, कि वो उस फादर से उसका बिजनेस पे कब्जा कर लेना चाहता है। दैट्स व्हाई ही इज गेटिंग very much interested in the Mr. Wickfield's business, as well as he has a great pressure on Mr. Wickfield कि वो उनकी सारी weaknesses को जानता है, उनको कैसे ब्लैकमेल करना है वो जानता है। तो दैट्स व्हाई ही इज ट्राइंग टू टेक ओवर द होल बिजनेस ऑफ मिस्टर विकफील्ड। ओके, गॉट इट। आई नो यू हैव ऑल मे बी घर में बैठे बैठे यू हैव रेड द होल बुक। ठीक है, आप आगे तक पहुंच गए होंगे, बट जहाँ तक हमने रीड किया है, ओके, इन दीज 2 chapters ऑफ लेसन नंबर 7, पेज नंबर 42 till 43 44, ओके, जो हमने अब तक रीड किया है उसके अकॉर्डिंग आई एम आस्किंग द क्वेश्चन। ठीक है, अभी तो हमने सिर्फ ये 2 ही चैप्टर्स रीड किए हैं, तो इन दिस वी हैव गॉट दीज नॉलेज अबाउट यूरिया कि वो ये सब कुछ चाहता है। अभी तो उसने ही हैडंट डिक्लेयर्ड एनीथिंग एल्स, कि वो अब तक उसने और कुछ नहीं कहा है। अच्छा जी, so this was the whole 2 chapters of lesson number 7. Okay. The assignment will be posted just after the ending of this class, as well as I will post the whole recorded video of this lecture. ठीक है, वो भी मैं पोस्ट कर दूंगी। Then you have a quiz also today. ठीक है, the quiz will be posted over there. ठीक है, ये तीनों चीज़ें you will be इंशाल्लाह getting in 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, on the Google Classroom ये सारी चीज़ें आपको मिल जाएंगी वहाँ पर। I have read the whole book. Yes, I knew that. I knew that so many students have already read this book. ठीक है, बट डोंट बी गेट कंफ्यूज। ठीक है, ये कंफ्यूजन ये इसी वजह से हुआ है। ठीक है ना, यू हैव टू समबडी हैज टोल्ड मी द रिप्लाई ऑफ द नेक्स्ट पेजेस जो मैंने अभी तक पढ़ाए नहीं है। ठीक है, तो डोंट बिकम कंफ्यूज विद देम, सी द क्वेश्चन एंड देन रिप्लाई, क्योंकि ये क्वेश्चन आपकी बुक में से बनाए गए हैं। ठीक है, दे आर नॉट द स्टैंडर्ड क्वेश्चंस, ये बुक में से मैंने खुद निकाल के बनाए हैं, सो दैट आई कैन आस्क द प्रेजेंटेशन क्वेश्चंस टू यू। सो डोंट बी गेट कंफ्यूज, मे बी वो वाला क्वेश्चन वो आगे वाले किसी लेसन में मैं दे दूंगी। ठीक है, अच्छा जी, चलिए, थैंक यू सो मच ऑल ऑफ यू। वी विल इंशाल्लाह मीट ऑन वेडनेसडे विद द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर। टिल देन, टेक केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ। अल्लाह हाफिज़।